can't find the exact car you want on a dealer lot, we've got a solution. Did you know you can order a custom-made car from the factory? If you have specific tastes and you're not in a time crunch, it might actually be wise to order your next new car like this. Here's how to do it. Step 1, if you plan to finance the purchase, we recommend pre-qualifying for your loan. This helps you know where your credit score stands and improves your negotiating power at the dealership. On that note, even though the car you buy won't be found on a dealer lot, you'll still need to identify a local dealership to place your order through. Now go crazy on that built-in price tool. Using the manufacturer's configuration tool will help you know which features come with which trim level. Now some configurators will allow you to send your build directly to your dealership of choice, but it's wise to print out a physical copy of your final build. Now it's time to schedule an appointment with that dealership of choice. Make sure you bring your printed build sheet to the dealer and request an out-the-door price for the vehicle you've designed. Like any other car purchase, you have the right to negotiate every aspect of the transaction, aside from state, tag, and title fees. When satisfied with the price, sign the buyer's order and have the sales manager do the same thing. Be sure to keep copies for your records. We're getting close now, time to pay a deposit. Yes, that deposit will be needed if you want to make sure the car is officially reserved for you. Make sure that your deposit is refundable in case you change your mind for any reason. This might be the worst part, but it is important. Time to wait patiently for your build. Destination times and fees from the point of assembly vary between car companies and even models within their lineup. If you are trading in a car, the dealership will want to complete this part of the process separately and only once your new car has been delivered. And finally, it is time to enjoy delivery of your new car. If you want to know more about the ideal size of a down payment, typical delivery times, alternative purchase options, and a host of other important details about custom orders, Kelley Blue Book is here to help.